Okay, hi class. I just wanted to show you something very quickly here. If you look at go into the assignments folder and scroll down, you'll see a schedule for the week of March 22nd through the 27th. Um, Here is the schedule for the week. So I want to point out that you need to read um, and comment on another person's draft, note the citation errors and surface errors in their drafts, and then post it by midnight on March 25th. So then here, you'll be able to get your feedback from your classmate and make your final revisions and then post here by midnight on Friday. Does that make sense? And then go party down and actually socially distance yourself for spring break, which was a really shitty spring break, wasn't it? Alrighty. So if you have any questions, email me. Otherwise, I will talk to you later. Bye bye.